Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin dead? Let's talk. All right, so let's go in. Right. Why people think Bitcoin is dead? There are a few reasons why this question keeps coming up. Okay, prices crashes. Every cycle begins with a major drop. Right, we just a few months ago we're noticing some drops in Bitcoin. I said it's going down. People say Bitcoin will not cross the 90,000 mark. All right, so bad headlines, hack, regulation, scams. There are places where some exchanges were hacked recently of millions of Bitcoins or millions of dollars, worth millions of dollars. So daily things like this happen, and then you think Bitcoin is not going anywhere. New tech hype, AI coins, stuff like that, social media fatigue, less buzz, more fear. Feels like no one's talking about Bitcoin the way they did in 2021 or 2022. But here's the truth. Bitcoin is still relevant though. Bitcoin is still relevant. Bitcoin is actually happening. What's actually happening with Bitcoin behind the scenes? Bitcoin is still very much alive. So this is what's happening behind the scenes. The hash rate, the security is still strong. It's at its all-time high now. Miners are still mining Bitcoin, stronger than ever. Somebody I'm following on the internet who is also mining Bitcoin. Just recently, he increased his mining levels from $1 million worth of equipment over $1.5 million worth of equipment. That guy is seriously mining Bitcoin. Okay, now so institutions are buying in. Okay, institutions are buying more of Bitcoin nowadays, not selling. Countries are also buying. El Salvador country is also buying. All right, so many countries are buying into Bitcoin, and they're supporting it. Bitcoin ETFs are approved in many regions. Now, Ethereum was one of the first ETFs to be approved, I think, and then Bitcoin came in. And so now Bitcoin ETFs have also been approved in more regions, even in the United States. And the United States are also still buying Bitcoin. Alright, so it is not dead. It is just buying it and building. Alright? Okay. So Bitcoin is designed to survive. Right? The programmer who created Bitcoin created it so it can survive. Remember why Bitcoin was created. It is decentralized. Right? Decentralized. No central bank can print more. So there's a certain amount of Bitcoin in circulation, and there's not much that can be done about it. That same amount will be circulated for years. No government can shut it down. No, not controlled by any government. That's why it's decentralized. It is run on thousands of computers worldwide. So it is run on the blockchain program and in thousands of computers. We're going to be talking about blockchain later in some of my videos coming up, but for now we're just concentrating on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It is not controlled by hype. It is designed to last. Bitcoin is not controlled by hypes. It is designed to last. Every time people say Bitcoin is dead, it comes back stronger. Yes, it's coming back stronger. Bitcoin has hit the $100,000 mark and is heading for the $120,000 mark. Just recently, he also hit $118,000 for one Bitcoin. This thing is moving very fast. Okay, so just Google how many times headlines have declared Google dead. Over 400,000 times. 400 times they've declared Bitcoin dead, but it's still there. Okay, yet here we are, still talking about Bitcoin still here, and it's going nowhere. Alright, so should you still care about Bitcoin? If you believe in digital ownership, if you believe in hard money with a fixed supply, I think you should care about Bitcoin. Financial freedom across borders, yes, then care about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not a get-rich-quick scheme, alright? Not a get-rich-quick scheme. You have something you have to plan for, study, and prepare to earn for a long term. It's not about the daily trades. It's not about the ups and the downs. It's not about the buying and the selling. Alright? It's a long time hedge against inflation, debt, and central control. Alright? It's not dead, it's maturing. Just like we talked about Bitcoin being, like the gold of the internet or the gold of computer, Bitcoin is the gold of the internet. We have real gold. If you understand what gold is, you know that real gold stands the test of time. Over histories, people have used gold as a means of transaction. That's exactly what Bitcoin is, digital and space. Alright, so do not look down on Bitcoin. It is earning more popularity every single day. So you got to be part of it. Alright. So Bitcoin is still there to last. It's going to be in the conversations. People are going to be talking about it. So if you enjoy this brief talk about Bitcoin, I think you should like, subscribe to this channel, and always look out for new videos. Okay, I'll be talking about some very important coins recently, about how they grow and how they're growing in the space. But this is just a short reminder of how Bitcoin is growing. So do you think Bitcoin still has a future, or are you moving on to other crypto projects? So like, subscribe, and always remember to watch the other videos I have before now. So thank you very much for watching. New videos coming soon. Have a nice day. Bye for now.